Hey guys, have you ever wondered what's the real difference between a CO2 laser engraver and a laser marking machine? Let me break it down for you in a minute. CO2 laser engravers are perfect for non-metal materials like wood, acrylic, leather, rubber, and glass. They cut and engrave with high precision and are ideal for crafts, signs, packaging, and more. On the other hand, laser marking machines, especially fiber lasers, are made for metals. Stainless steel, aluminum, gold, even tools and machinery parts. That's where they shine. They don't cut, but they permanently mark with speed and accuracy. So, in short, CO2 is your go-to for organic and soft materials. Fiber marking machine is for metal and high-speed marking tasks. Different tools for different jobs. Knowing which to use saves time and gets better results. Want to learn more? Alright, hit like and follow. This is Duran Yu from Pamilo Laser. See you next time. Bye bye.